Today I'm making this yummy looking chocolate caramel popcorn. It's in the season's best. And just starting, I've got my pop and stir popcorn maker going. And lots of fun. Looks like it's almost done popping. Just give it another minute or two. So now we're going to do the candied nuts. We have a cup of peanuts, right on here. We have a 1/4 cup of sugar. We have 2 tablespoons of water. I love this little tiny, the smallest of the easy read cups. These candied nuts are so easy because you just pour all the ingredients on. You don't even have to pre-mix anything. And a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm using our Cinnamon Plus. I'm just going to turn it on. You don't need to cover for this. You just turn it on and start stirring. And I'll come back when it's progressed. This is really cool. It's starting to heat up and sizzle. Starting to cook. This takes about 6 minutes total to get them to the candied stage. These look like they're done, so I'm going to turn this off now. Now I'm making the caramel sauce. I have a stick of butter melted. I'm going to add a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of corn syrup, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And you're meant to cook this without stirring for 4 minutes. So the caramel mixture is boiling. It's got 2 more minutes. I'm going to take it off the heat and add in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda, yes. And a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir that up. It does not want to stop boiling, does it? So I took the popcorn out of the oven where it was staying warm. I poured the nuts in. Now we're going to add our caramel sauce. I love the Brilliance pans with the pouring lip. And I'm going to mix this up to coat everything. Now I have the mixture spread out on a sheet pan, and I'm going to bake this for an hour. I'm going to stir it every 15 minutes. So I just took this out of the oven, and now I'm going to put the marshmallows on. 2 cups of mini marshmallows. And so I mixed in the marshmallows, and I melted a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and drizzled it over it. And doesn't that look amazing? Now I'm going to refrigerate it for an hour until the chocolate hardens, and then we're going to try it. And my husband, John Reeves, also known as my film crew, is going to do a taste test. Stay tuned. So we're having our taste tester now. First of all, check this out. This is amazing. This is like gift worthy. How is it? Is that a thumbs up?
It's even better than it looks. It's
awesome.
Good.
Okay, there you have it. Straight from England. Bye.
Right.